Hey guys, today I'm gonna be doing a video about like it's kind of like dollar signs, but they weren't a dollar. It was like none of them were actually a dollar. It was $2 to $3. But we're gonna be doing Family Dollar slimes, and I'm actually kind of excited, even though if I know they're probably gonna suck. But at the same time, it's just like I don't care. I'm gonna have fun with it, and I'm gonna try. So we're just gonna take them all out. I only got 4, but technically I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I kind of want to start with the Flarp first. Like, I kind of have an image on already how this is gonna feel. What the heck? Ooh, we're having some technical difficulties. Jeez. Okay, I don't know if I want to see, like, this one was $3. So I'm just gonna say it's so adorable. That's why I wanted to get it. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. So I don't know, like, I kind of forgot. Are they scented? Why does this one smell like blueberries? Oh my goodness. Literally taking ages to open. Okay, so I kind of have a feeling I already know what this is going to feel like. Oh my gosh. It's scented. Oh. It was kind of like cracked at the edges, but it's okay. Just put that this way. So it's like obviously not stretchy that much. So it actually smells so good though, like it almost makes you just want to play with it just because. But like it doesn't really have a stretch to it or anything. But oh my. It's just like, I mean, it's not the best slime, but probably with some work it could probably, like, it's not such a bad base where it's like terrible. It's like a holdable slime, like that you just play with in your hand, like you just go like that. But it's mainly like, this is made for like that farting, because it's called Flarp. So we're just gonna like move on to the rest, because I just wanna see how all of them smell, like if they smell the same, because obviously they're probably gonna have the same exact texture. Oh my gosh, this. Alright, so let's just try and open them all so we don't have to deal with that. There you go. This green one actually kind of looks good. I don't know why. It looks like it'll be. I'm kind of scared with the other big putties, because I already know, like, putties just, they don't work out for me. So we're just gonna, yeah. Ooh, that does smell like strawberry. But it's like, obviously, it looks, in the camera, it looks a lot better, actually, than it does in real life. Like, in real life, it looks like a, I don't know, like just a regular pink, but on the camera it looks like a bright hot pink. So it's obviously just exactly the same, so we're just gonna go through it really quickly. That's funny. So I might actually, like, I don't know, what am I gonna do? We're gonna say yellow. I'm gonna say banana for this one. What I tell you, it does. Oh my gosh, I'm so great. And I feel like that one's gonna be like apple or something. Green is always an apple flavor, so we're just gonna, this one kind of has a more of a stretch, weirdly. But yeah, that's basically it. And then one more. Yeah. Yep, that's an apple sign. It's obviously not like amazing, but I'm kind of happy that it smells like something other than chemicals. So yeah, this is more of like a jiggly slime. My favorite scent was definitely the blue one. But if you like these little farting noises, then I would recommend this slime. But if you're looking for a stretchy and playable slime, I don't recommend this Flarp. But it's what I was expecting. I wasn't expecting an amazing slime. Now we're gonna try this one. You could just, like, if you tap it on a table and just like hear the hear how it sounds. That hurt me. Then you could like tell, like, is it gonna be plasticky or is it gonna be good? Now you can obviously tell that this is gonna be plasticky, but let's just see. It says it's a light up. Okay, it's not seeming too bad. Okay, so I don't know what that gunk is. Like, what the heck? I didn't even see that. Okay, so it comes with this, like, what does this do? Oh, that is pretty dope. I'm not gonna lie. What dope? What is that? That's cool. I like that. So the slime. Ooh, what? So the slime, I love. Okay, you can turn off. I love the color. Like, it's just such a cute purple. And the stars in it are super cute. Like, if you stretch it really slow, it can be stretchy. This is more of a holdable slime as well. It's not pokeable at all. Like, when you put your fingers through it, that's when it's like all crumbly and stuff. But it's actually pretty decent. The thing that I like about these clear putties is that it stays clear for like a really long time. Like, it takes forever to, because you can't really like play with this, so it's like it's hard to like make it not clear. So we're gonna try and put this back. I'm gonna try and wash that because that's like, what the heck? What is that? Ew. Okay. If I could even put this back. Alright. Next, I'm going to try this one. It comes with like this, because it's supposedly you can blow a bubble, and it's just like that. We're actually gonna try it for the fun of it, but it comes with a good amount. That's what I like about this. This one was also $3. That other one that I just showed you was $2. But I already know like what the feeling of this is gonna be. Like, of course. But guys, like, this is such hilarious that it comes with a whole like fossil thing, because it's supposed to be like a dinosaur thing. But I got it obviously for the slime, not for the toy. Like, so I came with this new guy. So it's kind of like a charm in the slime, which is kind of cool. I love this color. And this is so much. Oh, that wasn't a good example. But this one, you can like tell from the purple one, this one's so much better. Like, oh my god, we're gonna try. Oh, Yeah. We're not gonna do like, we're gonna try it one more time. Oh my goodness, guys, it's just not popping. I thought it was gonna pop right now. That is so cool. And like, you can make any type of thing. Like, oh my gosh, this one is by far the best one. Oh my gosh, because you can actually make, I would definitely recommend this one. If you see Dino Ooze, this one is so much fun. Like, even with just the bubbles like itself, like that is just cool. And like the fact that it's like but this is like a lot more stretchy. That wasn't a good example, but like just the feel of it, like when I put my hands in it, like in that one it was like super rippy, but this one it was just a lot better. Yeah, I really like this one. Okay, I'm just gonna play with it after, because putties, I kind of like it. I kind of like foldable putties, and I'm definitely gonna make more of those balloons. This one didn't really like, but it was alright. So I'm hoping this one is the same texture as like that one, and it comes, it's such a mess over here. It comes with some stars that you can add in yourself, which I think is really cool. Oh no, it's not gonna have the same texture. Wait, why does this seem like it has like, I don't know if that's just the glitter. Okay, this one is probably one of the worst. I don't know how I feel about it. Do I even want to waste the stars on this? Like, I could actually use the stars. Like, this is not good at all. Oh my gosh, this one's terrible, and it leaves so much. This one's not good at all. Oh no. Yeah, I'm gonna go back to playing with my Dino World. Wait, Dino World? Yeah, this was a Dino Glue. Dino Ooze. This one's so bad. I actually thought it was gonna be a lot better. This one is the worst. Should I waste it? Nah. I'm not gonna waste on this terrible slime. I thought it was gonna be good. Like, it looked like it was gonna be okay. Like, obviously I knew it wasn't gonna be great. This sucks. I mean, what do I expect? But this one was $3, so I was thinking, okay, it's gonna be a little bit more better than what this one will be. I mean, not that this one, since this one was $3 and good, I thought it was just gonna be a little bit more good for like the more expensive putties, because you could get putties for like $1 and they're probably a lot better than this. Like the Flarp was even better than this, and the $2 one was better than this. So it's like you could get it for cheaper and a lot better. So I don't recommend this one. It's from Slime Gloop. I don't know if all of their slimes are exactly the same. That's a really cute container. Like, their container is really cute because it says Slime Gloop on it. Like, that's adorable. So this video was a little bit longer than what it should be, but I went through all the stuff. I didn't take as long as I thought I should. As long as somebody usually would. I don't know. This video was kind of long. I don't know why it's actually 14 minutes, but thank you guys so much for watching this video, and please subscribe. I'm trying to get to, I don't know, to more than what I have, because, and check out my shop. I'm actually trying to get more sales so I can be able to post more, so it doesn't just stay as like 7 things. Like, that's a little bit. I know people be selling like thousands of stuff on their thing, but I just need to get more money so I can be able to get more supplies to put more stuff. So that's why I'm just waiting on another sale, and I'll have my shop in the link in the description below. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye.